today we're going to talk about saying cool things or saying silly things when talking to a friend, okay? All right. So cool things are like talking about what your friend's talking about. But then there's silly things like saying silly words. Okay, that's kind of not cool. Those are silly words. Right? So you're going to watch me and Julia, okay? And you're going to see if I say cool things or if I say silly words.
Oh, Julia?
You're going to watch me, okay? All right. Julia's going to be cool the whole time. Okay, so who are you watching? All right, and you're going to see if I say cool things or if I say silly words. Okay, you can say action.
Action.
Jeremy, how was school today?
School was so good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Did you do anything fun?
No, we just did some writing. I learned how to spell my name.
Cool. How do you spell it?
You say J-E poop R poop Y. Cut. Was that saying cool things or silly things?
Silly thing.
Yeah, silly things. That was not cool. Yeah, Julia didn't seem like she liked it very much. Right? That was silly. Okay. Let's do another one. Ready?
Ready.
Set.
Go.
Jeremy, have you seen any cool movies lately?
Oh yeah, I saw Spider-Man. It was really cool.
I love Spider-Man.
Yeah, it was a cartoon. It was so neat.
Yeah.
And he was flinging his webs. He was going poop 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 poop. Cut. I know it's funny, but look. Was I being cool or saying silly things?
Silly thing.
Yeah, Julia did not like it.
Yeah.
That was too silly. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, those are silly things. That's not cool. So let's do another one.
Awesome.
Jeremy, what are you doing this weekend?
Oh, this weekend I'm going to go swimming at my mom's pool.
Oh, cool. I don't have a pool.
Oh, swimming's so fun. Maybe you can come over.
That would be so fun.
Yeah, I like to go dive deep down to the bottom.
Me too. And I like to float around.
Okay, cut. What was I saying? Cool things or silly things?
Cool thing.
Cool things. That's right. All right, let's do another one.
Cut.
Okay, action.
Jeremy, what is your favorite television show?
Oh, I really like Peppa Pig.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too.
You like Peppa too? Peppa is so much fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like George too.
I like Papa Pig.
Yeah, he's
Cut.
funny.
I like both.
All right, was I saying cool things or silly things?
Cool thing.
Cool things, and you were saying cool things too. You got it. All right, now it's going to be your turn to talk to Julia. All right, and I want to see if you can say cool things. All right, I'll say action this time. Ready, set, action.
Alex, how was school today?
Good.
Did you do anything fun?
Yes.
Like what?
Eating.
Oh yeah? Did you have snack at school? What did you have?
I have crackers and cheese.
I love it.
Cut. You were saying cool things. Yeah, no silly words. Julia looked like she was having fun with you talking. That's awesome. Let's do one more, okay? All right, ready, set, action.
Alex, I love your Peppa Pig shirt.
Thank you.
What else is on it?
Dinosaurs.
Oh, I love dinosaurs too. Do you have a favorite dinosaur?
This one.
It looks like a T-Rex. That's so cool.
Cut. Were you saying cool things or silly things?
Cool thing.
Cool things. Way to go. That's the way. Hey, Julie was having fun with you, saying cool things. Nice job, bud.